Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So I am new here on YouTube. This is new channel. So I am introducing myself. I am Kramer D. Preza, 9 years old and from Philippines. So in this video, I will make a tut how to get blood overload aura. In Roblox, find the aura. So, let's begin the video. First thing first, you all gonna do is go to teleports. Scroll until you see the ocean. Teleport to the ocean. And follow where I go. Also guys, there are more aura in this map. So you can see it and claim it. So go to this big stone. So in back of it there are grass. And go to it and you will fill in this OB. Complete this OB. So I complete it. So I get the aura. So this is what is the aura looks like. This is it. So I hope it's help to you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe because I am new here on YouTube. Bye bye.